Frisco window tinting services offer a range of benefits, including UV protection and enhanced privacy. By choosing window tinting services in Frisco, homeowners can reduce glare and protect their interiors from harmful UV rays, especially when paired with replacement windows Frisco for maximum efficiency. Frisco window tinting services are ideal for those looking to improve energy efficiency and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. For those seeking Frisco window noise reduction services, our solutions are designed to minimize external sounds, creating a peaceful home environment alongside replacement windows Frisco. Frisco window noise reduction services are perfect for homes located in busy areas, ensuring tranquility and comfort. Our experts in Frisco provide tailored solutions to meet your specific noise reduction needs. Frisco window condensation solutions are essential for maintaining clear and functional windows, particularly in homes with replacement windows Frisco. Our Frisco window condensation solutions help prevent moisture buildup, which can lead to mold and damage. By addressing condensation issues, homeowners can ensure their windows remain in top condition, enhancing both appearance and performance. Frisco window UV protection is crucial for safeguarding your home from the sun's harmful rays, especially when installed with replacement windows Frisco. Our Frisco window UV protection solutions help preserve your furniture and flooring by blocking out damaging UV light. With our UV protection services, you can enjoy natural light without the risk of fading or damage to your interiors. Frisco window security features provide peace of mind for homeowners concerned about safety, particularly those upgrading to replacement windows Frisco. Our Frisco window security features include advanced locking systems and reinforced glass options. By enhancing window security, you can protect your home and loved ones from potential intruders. Frisco window sash replacement is a vital service for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows, especially in homes with replacement windows Frisco. Our Frisco window sash replacement experts ensure a perfect fit and seamless operation. By replacing worn or damaged sashes, you can improve energy efficiency and extend the lifespan of your windows. Frisco window caulking services are essential for sealing gaps and preventing drafts around replacement windows Frisco. Our Frisco window caulking services help improve energy efficiency by keeping your home insulated. Proper caulking also prevents moisture intrusion, protecting your windows and home from potential damage. Frisco window glazing options offer a variety of styles and finishes to suit any home, including upgrades that complement replacement windows Frisco. Our Frisco window glazing options include single, double, and triple glazing for enhanced insulation and noise reduction. By choosing the right glazing, you can improve energy efficiency and comfort in your home. Frisco window installation warranty provides peace of mind for homeowners investing in replacement windows Frisco. Our Frisco window installation warranty covers workmanship and materials, ensuring your investment is protected. With our comprehensive warranty, you can trust that your windows will perform optimally for years to come. Frisco window measurement services ensure a perfect fit for your new installations, including replacement windows Frisco. Our Frisco window measurement services are conducted by experienced professionals who take precise measurements for custom solutions. Accurate measurements are crucial for seamless installation and optimal performance. Frisco window replacement consultation offers expert guidance for selecting the best window solutions for your home, including replacement windows Frisco. Our Frisco window replacement consultation includes a thorough assessment of your needs and preferences. With our expert advice, you can make informed decisions about your window upgrades. Looking for top-notch picture window installation in Frisco? Our team specializes in Frisco picture window replacement and replacement windows Frisco, offering a wide range of custom window designs to enhance your home's aesthetic. With our Frisco energy-efficient window installation, you can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Our Frisco double-pane window experts ensure that your windows provide optimal insulation and noise reduction. Upgrade your home with our comprehensive residential window services in Frisco, including replacement windows Frisco. We offer window frame replacement and window glass installation services to keep your windows in top condition. Our Frisco window seal replacement services ensure that your windows remain airtight, preventing drafts and condensation. Choose from our extensive selection of Frisco window style options to find the perfect match for your home. Our Frisco window hardware replacement services include everything from window sash replacement to window screen installation, perfectly supporting replacement windows Frisco. We also provide Frisco window weatherproofing and window tinting services to protect your home from the elements. Our Frisco window maintenance experts are here to help with all your window needs, including window condensation solutions and window UV protection. For those seeking enhanced security, our Frisco window security features pair seamlessly with replacement windows Frisco. We provide Frisco window caulking services and window glazing options to ensure your windows are both functional and stylish. Our Frisco window installation warranty guarantees quality and satisfaction with every project. Need precise measurements for your window project involving replacement windows Frisco? Our Frisco window measurement services ensure a perfect fit every time. Schedule a Frisco window replacement consultation with our experts to discuss your custom window solutions. Whether you're interested in insulated glass units or window noise reduction services, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Trust our Frisco window glass installation services to restore your windows to their original clarity and function, especially when upgrading to replacement windows Frisco. Our home window upgrades in Frisco include a variety of options to improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. With our Frisco window UV protection and window security features, you can enjoy a safer, more comfortable living environment. Explore our Frisco window glazing options designed to enhance replacement windows Frisco. Our Frisco window tinting services offer both aesthetic appeal and practical benefits, such as reduced glare and increased privacy. With our Frisco window maintenance experts, you can keep your windows looking and performing their best year-round. Contact us today for all your Frisco window needs, from window installation warranty to window replacement consultation for replacement windows Frisco. Our team is dedicated to providing the highest quality residential window services in Frisco, ensuring your complete satisfaction with every project. Let us help you transform your home with our custom window solutions in Frisco.